Good morning, students. Welcome in HCP Practical. Today I will start the experiment number 25. Okay, and title of this experiment is to sterilize hospital fabrics. Example gown, towel, caps, and mask, etc. Then prior concept, proposition, hospital fabrics. Then new concepts, proposition, method of sterilization. The method of sterilization we already have discussed in previous practical, so I will not repeating theory part again. Then general concept structure, pack the material, then after the packing material load in the autoclave, then sterilize and unload. Then learning objectives, intellectual skill and motor skill. After watching this video, you all students are to understand the concept of sterilization, then motor skill to ability to handle the sterilizers and ability to follow the safety measures. Okay, then apparatus, materials to be sterilized, autoclave, muslin cloths, steam permeable papers and SS sterilizing bin, that is dressing metal drum. Okay, firstly see the dressing metal drum. These are the ड्रेसिंग मेटल ड्रम. ओके, ह्याच्यामध्ये जे टॉवेल्स, जे कॅप्स, गाऊन्स आणि मास्क असतील ते ह्याच्यामध्ये प्लेस करायचे. शेवट खाली काय ठेवणार, मास्क ठेवणार. ते वेल प्रॉपर घडी घालून ते फोल्ड करून ते ह्याच्यामध्ये एका ह्याने बांधून ठेवायचं. मास्क, टॉवेल, कॅप्स आणि गाऊन्स. ओके, आणि ते स्टेरिलायझेशनला ठेवून द्यायचं. ओके, these are the dressing metal drum. Okay, now then stepwise procedure. Firstly pack the material which are to be sterilized in the size of 12 by 12 by 20 packets. Then wrap the pack in 2 layers of the muslin cloth or 1 layer of muslin cloth and 1 layer of brown paper. Then tie the pack loosely, then that is not dense, with thread. Then arrange the packets side by side in SS sterilizing bin. Then keep the steam inlet of SS sterilizing bin open during the sterilization cycle. Then place the SS sterilizing bin in an autoclave. Then switch on the autoclave and sterilize material under the following condition. First, holding pressure, then holding temperature and holding time. Holding pressure is the 10 pounds per square inch and holding temperature is 110 degrees Celsius. Holding time is the 45 minutes. Then switch off the autoclave and allow the pressure to come down to 0. Then open the lid and autoclave and remove the sterilized material. Then close steam inlet of the sterilizing bin immediately and transfer the sterilizing bin in the sterile area. Okay, these are the procedure of this experiment. Firstly pack the material and size is the 12 by 12 by 20 packets. Then it is wrapped the pack in 2 layers of muslin cloth or brown paper or 1 layer of brown paper. Then tie the pack loosely with threads. Then arrange the packet side by side in sterilizing bin. Then keep the steam inlet SS sterilizing bin and open during the sterilizing cycle. Then place the SS sterilizing bin in an autoclave. Then switch off the autoclave and sterilize material under the following condition: the holding pressure, holding temperature and holding time. Then holding pressure 10 pounds per square inch and holding temperature is the 110 degrees Celsius and holding time is the 45 minutes. Then switch off the autoclave and allow the pressure to come down 0. Then open the lids of an autoclave and remove the sterilized materials and close the steam inlet of the SS sterilizing bin immediately. Then transfer sterilizing bin in sterile area. Okay, then result to give the sample of materials are, and write down here your result. Okay, then these questions are related to this experiment. First, aseptic techniques. Aseptic techniques means what? Aseptic techniques means using the practice of procedure to prevent the contamination of pathogens and involves the applying the strictest rules to minimize the risk of infection. Healthcare workers use aseptic technique in surgery rooms, then clinics, outpatient care centers, and other healthcare setting. That is the aseptic technique. Then class 100, class 10,000, and class 1 lakh. That is, clean room are classified according to the number and size of the particles permitted per volume of air. Large number like class 100, class 1000, or class 100, class 100 and class 1000 after to fade. STD is 209 E and denote the number of particles of size 0.5 micrometer or larger permitted per cubic foot of air. Then small number refer the ISO 14641 standards, which specify the decimal logarithm of the number of particles point 0.1 micrometer or larger permitted per cubic meter of air. So for example, an ISO class 5 classroom has at most 105, that is 1 lakh particles per meter square. Okay, these are the class 100, class 10,000, and class 1 lakhs. Okay, then name of test used in the check the efficiency of HEPA. HEPA means what? HEPA is the high efficiency particulate air. Okay, then the dispersed the dispersed oil particulate, that is DOP, scan testing, then also known as the leak testing, then is one of the most quoted method by industry standards. The test is recommended to be repeated at regular time intervals to verify the continued efficiency of the filter. Okay, these are the efficiency of HEPA. HEPA means high efficiency particulate air. Okay, then how DOP test is performed? DOP means dispersed oil particulate. How dispersed oil particulate test is performed? First, DOP means dispersed oil particulate testing, also known as the filter integrity testing, is the process in which the integrity of your HEPA, that is high efficiency particulate air, or ULPA, that is ultra low penetration air. Okay, then filter is challenged through the introducing particulates and measuring the output. Okay, then what does HEPA stand for? HEPA is the high efficiency particulate air. Then HEPA is the type of pleated mechanical air filter. HEPA is the type of pleated mechanical air filter. Then it is an acronym for high efficiency particulate air. Okay, these are the HEPA. Then velocity inside the aseptic area. What is the velocity inside the aseptic area? In that, the air velocity at all parts of the filter area has to be about 0.54 meter per second, or 90 plus 20 feet per minute. Then remove the dioctave phthalate, that is DOP. Then particles of size, that is 0.3 micrometer. The air filtered from the laminar airflow is claimed to be 99.97% free from the microbial contamination. Then next is the which materials is usually used to make the lines to be used in the septic area. In that, most packaging materials used in the aseptic packaging is made from plastic instead of metal or glass containers due to relatively low cost of producing plastic material when compared to the metal and glass. Okay, then what are the HEPA filters made up of? And that third, the difference between HEPA filter and other filters is that HEPA filters are made up of thin fibers of glass and contain some level of activated carbon based material. Okay, then HEPA. HEPA filters are high efficiency filters that typically capture over 99.5% of all particulate population. They are made from the either plastic or fiberglass and can capture things like pollen, viruses, bacteria, and mold. Okay. Then, what is the laminar flow? In fluid dynamic, laminar flow is characterized by the fluid particles then following smooth paths in layers, which each layers moving the smoothly past of the fluid tends to the follow without lateral mixing and adjustment layers slide past one another like playing cards. Okay, these are the all about sterilized hospital fabrics. Okay, now I will stop here. Thank you. And next practical we will see in next experiment we will see in next practical. Okay, thank you.